Hey guys, this is a Hampton Bay Harper ceiling fan. Picked this out of the trash. It's got the pearl Hampton Bay style mounting, so I know it's a Hampton Bay. We're gonna test.
It was obviously me, because, why not?
Yeah, it's a trash find. I pulled it off of the curb today. I did not expect to find a fan. So the light, as you can tell.
He was gonna get nothing.
Alright, let's see.
He was gonna get nothing, and apparently he did not get nothing. He found something.
Let's start on low. No way.
It works.
The blades are a little bent up. The yellow blade is bent up.
Nothing I can fix. Just kidding. I'd actually break it.
Yeah, the pits the blades are definitely messed up. Okay, so we go to medium.
Shot on iPhone.
Bad cut. No, I think the capacitor is good. Oh yeah, God, the blades are bad. Look at the blades.
They're actually going pretty fast.
Kinda. It's pulling a bit of air too. Let's go to high. Oh, we got a bad capacitor.
It's literally the same speed. Probably because the blades are out of whack. If you put them back in alignment, they will probably go fast.
The fan is also humming really loud. It's actually going slightly slower on high.
Okay,
Look.
if you put the capacitor
High.
in the Tyler.
High. Medium. See, it's going faster.
Yeah, try putting the Tyler capacitor on it. That's better than this one.
Yes. And we're also going to fix these blades. Oh yeah, the capacitor on this is definitely going bye-bye. Oh, crap. Okay, there we go. The bearings are good. Wow. Does it have a date on it? I'm rotating. What does that say? 2004. Alright, anyway, that's gonna be all for the first test. Bye.